Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by solving the immediate access problem. Connect a USB OTG cable and plug in a mouse. Once connected, use the mouse to draw your pattern and unlock the phone. This bypasses touch input issues and gets you into settings quickly. Make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions, then navigate to Settings, Find System or Google Backup, and enable backup to Google Drive. This step gives you instant access and allows the real backup work to begin. Once done unlocking, perform both platform and full image backups. Start a Google Drive backup for contacts, app data, and settings because it's easiest and restores automatically. Next, for a complete snapshot, use ADB backup if USB debugging was previously authorized, or boot into a custom recovery like TWRP and run an Android backup to capture the entire system. This preserves apps, data, and partitions. Make sure to transfer the local backup to your PC or an SD. To finish, verify your backups. Restore a small app or a test profile to confirm files are intact. This proves the process works before you need it. Then encrypt any sensitive backup archives and record the passphrase offline, because encrypted backups require that exact key to restore. Finally, make at least 2 copies, one in the cloud and one offline. If you can't unlock next time, try the OTG mouse trick again. If that fails, boot to recovery and use ADB, or remove the SD card to recover files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.